Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how smartphones are assembled step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
This stage prepares the circuitry by applying precise amounts of conductive material.
Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Check the alignment on line 3.
Looks good from here, Supervisor. We are clear for the next batch.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how smartphones are assembled, from start to finish.